we'll start with the Hamming code. Yesterday we have started, but let me take a one more example so that it will be clear for you. But I want from you answers, ma. Okay. So Hamming code in this, what is this Hamming code actually? Hamming code is used for detecting as well as for correcting the errors. Okay. So Hamming code makes use of multiple parity bits to enable a single bit error correction. It can correct only a single bit, but detection can be done. 2-bit error detection can be done. Okay. So see, these are, yesterday we have discussed that where to place a parity bits. So parity bits are placed based on its powers. So now, how much is the size of the message that the sender wants to send is a main. So in this, I want here it wants to transmit an 8-bit, so which is nothing but a 1 byte using a Hamming code. So how many parity bits needed for this is main. So how many parity bits needed means based on your formula we need to decide. So what is that formula? In terms of formula, 2 power
2 power n greater than m plus n plus 1.
yes. Now what is M size? The M size is 1 byte, which is nothing but 8 bits. So if you are placing an 8 bits here, so definitely if you place 3 will not be sufficient. Why? Because plus 1 it should be 9. So definitely you have to place 4 here. So 4 means n value we considered as 4. So here also 8 plus 4 plus 1. So will be 2 power 4 is 16. So 8 plus 4 plus 1. So in parity bits that we have to consider here is 4 parity bits. But where to place will be based on 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. Means 1, 2, 4, 8 positions we have to place parity. So 1, 2, 4, 8. See here, in place of 1 we have placed parity bits, in place of 2, 4 and 8, and in the remaining places we have to place the data. Now what data that we want to send? So here included, we are calculating the parity bits based on this matrix. See here, the transmitting what message that we want to transmit is, this is your message. Note down in your notes. I will ask you to find out the p1, p2, p4 and p8 values. Okay. So see here, this is your 8-bit 1 byte. So 0010011 wants to be transmitted, but along this extra parity bits will also be included so that receiver can able to identify whether the received message is correct or not. So for that, so this is your Hamming code, this message. So after calculating your p1, p2, p3, these parity values, you will get this message. Okay. So now tell me, how, what are here, yesterday we have discussed about message of size 4-bit. For that we have added 3 parity bits based on based on what parity size. So if parity bits are 3, so how many combinations will get? 2 power 3, so total 8 combinations we will get, right? So in the same way we are having, presently we have considered the message size as 8. So if we are considering message size as 8, so we got parity as 4. 4 means how many combinations we will get here?
16.
How many combinations? Yes, 16 combinations. But in that 16, let see here, in that 16 combinations we will not use all 16. Why? Because only 12 is needed. We have to include here 12 also. Why? Because the message that we have is, the data that we want to send is 8, and the parity bits that we are adding 4. So total how many, ma? Including the parity bits it is 12, right? So total 12 need to be added. So see here, wherever the position, this is for p0, here this is your P naught, this is your P1, this is your P3, and this is your P4. So you can represent parity, you can represent as 8421, P1, P2, P4, P8. Okay, 8421. So see here, note down this ma. So in place of 1, you are having a 1, next 3, next 5, like that. So in order to calculate P1, we will get 1 3 5 7 9 11. Okay, so for P2 you will get 2 3, where you are getting 2 3 6 7 10 11. Why? Because we have to consider for P2 these values. So wherever there is a 1, you have to take the corresponding position number. So here it is 2, for this it is 3, for this it is 6, next is 7, next is 10 11. Like that you try to consider for 4 P4 as well as for P8 also, so that we will get these values. Okay, note down ma. Note down, I will ask you while calculating these numbers. 1 3 5 7 9 11 is for P1, 2 3 6 7 10 11 is for P2, 4 6 4 5 6 7 12 is for P4, 8 9 10 11 12 is for P8. Okay, now we will calculate. So if you want to calculate,
Ma'am, can you show that again?
okay, ma. Okay. First of all, you should not write this directly. In your notes, you have to write all 16 combinations. In that, you are using until 12. Why? Because you including your message and parity will be only 12 bits.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me start with the message and combinations, and we will calculate our parity bits. It is 100% question, ma. No, try to concentrate, everyone. So we will start from 12. Like that until meanwhile you also complete in your notes. నాకు మెసేజ్ చెప్పాలమ్మా 7 8. Tell me the message, 8-bit message. ఎయిట్ బిట్స్ మెసేజ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసేది
00100011.
00100011. Okay. So let me write wherever we are having a parity. This one is your parity. P2 is also your parity. P4 is parity. P8 is parity. And remaining places you have to write this. So 0 0 1 0. Parity, don't write in parity. See, this bit is occupied for parity, so remove. And next this 0 0 1, and this you should not write here. This is parity bit and 1. Okay, so now we need to calculate parity P1. Tell me the numbers that you just now you have noted in your notes. It is 1
1357911.
Okay, 1 3 5 7 9 11. Okay, for even more simplification, just tell me wherever we are having 1, only 2 ones, no, 3 ones. So in which bit position we have 1? In 10, in 10 position we have a 1, in 5, and in position of 3. Antena inkekadaina unda 1? No, in place of 10, 5 and 3. Okay, so 1 we need to calculate. It has to be placed here, P1, and with the help of these values we will find out P1. So 3, as we have written, these are all ones. So let me write in place of 3 1, 5 1, and 7 7 0. So next 9 also 0. For first time, let me show this. Next time onwards, I will go for this. 9 0. Next
Ma'am, 5
11.
1. Ma'am, you wrote
Ah,
5.
yes, yes. 5. Okay, okay, okay. It is 1. Yes, it is 1. Next 11. This one is 5. This one is 7, 9, 11. 11 also 0. What value we will get, ma? It is even parity. We are doing for even parity. So already 2 ones are there. So P1 will be 0. Okay. Next, coming to P2. P2 values are
3, 6,
P2
7, 10,
equals
11.
to
3, 6,
3, 6,
7, 10, 11.
7, 10, 11. Okay. So 3, 3, 1, 6, 0, 7, 0, 10, 1, 11, 0. So again we have a two even numbers. Number of ones we need to calculate. If it is even, simply place 0. Next P4. P4 values చెప్పండమ్మా.
5,
Where
6,
where you have
7, 12.
P4, 5, 6, 7, 12. Okay. 5, 1, 6, 0, 7, 0, 12 also 0. Means what? I have to place parity bit as 1 or 0?
1.
1. Why? Because here we have only a single one. So to make that two even, we have to place 1. And the last left out is P8. P8 values చెప్పండి అమ్మ ఒకసారి.
9, 10, 11, 12.
P8 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 9 it is 0, 10 1, 11 it is 0, 12 also 0. Means P8 should be what? Should be 1. Okay. Now tell me, after adding all the, we will add after adding all, tell me the answer. In place of P1, you write down 0. In place of P2, you write down 0. In place of P4, write down 1. In place of P8, write down 1. And tell me the final result. Final message, including the parity, what transmitter will send? 0,
0 1
0, 0, 1, 0,
0
uh,
1
1,
hmm,
0, 0,
0, 0.
1, 1, 3 ones and 2 zeros.
Is this correct? 0010100100111100. Let me see here whether it is correct or not. Yes, this is your answer. 0010. We calculated P8 as 1. Yes, we got the answer. P4 as 1, P2 as 0, P1 as 0. So now this is the data. This is the data which will be received by the receiver. So Hamming code, this is received by the receiver. Now, can anyone how to do after receiving this entire data? Means 8 bits and 4 what we calculated just now, everything added and will be sent to the receiver side. And after that, what receiver will do? Receiver has to calculate again. So now after calculating, anyhow receiver will get the values of P1, P2, P8 and P4 values. So receiver will do again parity bits. Once receiver is doing parity bits, if receiver gets all zeros, that indicates that it is what? Correct? Error detect ainata.
correct.
What ma? See here. In the, yes, correct. So listen here. What we are doing, try to understand. We want to send how many bits? 8-bit of data. But whether that 8-bit of data while transmitting to the receiver, because of some internal noise, because of some external weather issues, all that, if 1 is converted to 0 or 0 is converted to 1, receiver has to know that there is an error. What the sender has received, sender has sent is different data, and what I have received is different data. In order to do that, with the help of parity bits, receiver can able to identify. So for that, what we are doing is, for this data what sender wants to send, along with that we are adding an extra bits. With the help of this extra bits, receiver will able to identify whether the sent data received actually whatever that we sent.